Communication, VIP.
Lead Out Loud addresses 4 different types of personality styles to enable you to adapt and to effectively communicate with others. If you are in a position of leadership, management, or even at the executive level, or even a mid-level manager, Lead Out Loud is a topic for you to improve your overall interpersonal communication skills. Lead Out Loud encapsulates 3 different dynamics to make you a more effective leader and influencer. Number 1, you're going to start out by identifying your personal and strongest motivational leadership style. Number 2, you're going to learn about the ego, the emotion, goal, and obstacles of all other styles. And number 3, and most importantly, is how to adapt to each of those styles. Lead Out Loud identifies 4 types: laid back, energetic, analytical, and dominant people. You're going to be one of these, and most people are a combination. Once you identify your style, you have an increased propensity to adapt to others. Remember the golden rule: treat other people the way that you want to be treated? Well, that can make a lot of sense with being ethical and doing right by people. When it comes to leadership, communication, and influence, you want to learn how to treat other people the way they want to be treated. And that's what you'll learn from Lead Out Loud.
Communication, VIP.